welcome to a very Christmassy vlog. I thought that this year through December I'd throw up just a couple of vlogs in between my other content, because I know by the time sort of mid-December hits, people are done with their DIYs, which means I don't know what to film. But also I really just wanted to share some Christmas festivities with you and some of the things that I've been up to. I haven't vlogged for a while, so I thought it would be fun. I guess this is kind of like a half-assed version of Vlogmas, but just the highlights, because most days I sit inside editing videos. Anyway, I thought I'd give it a proper go today because I'm going to do some Christmas tree decorating with my nan. But before that, I've got a flashback to yesterday when we went and got her a Christmas tree, and it was such a bargain. I ended up getting one for myself. Say that again.
Heading towards Christmas tree heaven.
Someone needs to set up their own YouTube channel. We're off to get Nan's Christmas tree! Yay! And I'm not going to come back with one myself.
No.
We're going to be here for hours. Lovely. Right, let's bag it up. Let's go. What do you think of that one now?
It's just the opposite of the spot.
I like that one.
It's nice.
Very nice.
I know what you're up to.
So we finished at the Christmas place. And what was I saying before we got there?
Definitely not having a tree. Too much trouble.
I've already got a tree. It's fine. I hate the cleanup of a real tree. Last time I missed the deadline for getting rid of it, and it was in the garden for 10 months. And what have I gone and done? Got a Christmas tree.
Oh, she's got a lovely tree.
Yeah. So I knew that was going to happen. Now we're going to go shopping and collect the trees on the way back. Right, see that in there? What do you think?
I think it'll be good.
And what else have you got that you don't need?
What?
So let's investigate the fireplace.
Any other bargain hunters that might get in before you.
Let's investigate this fireplace, shall we?
Dodie went first.
You're right there.
Yes.
Had a really nice time with my nan yesterday, and it's kind of one of our traditions that we go and get her tree and then we decorate it a few days later. And yeah, as you saw, I did get my own tree. You might be thinking, Hermione, you already have a tree. That is correct. I have that artificial tree because I put my decorations up in October so that I can film videos, because none of the Christmas tree places are open until like at least mid-November. But I wasn't expecting to get a real tree, and then I did, so oops. But it was £19.99 and it looks really pretty and it smells really good. I just love Christmas so much. Let me go downstairs and show you what it looks like. So last night I took down the other one and took all of the bits off it, ready to put them on this. Oh my god, it's so big. My artificial tree comes up to about here. It's cute and it's good for videos, but I just really love a good real Christmas tree. I found the bucket yesterday in a charity shop and it was brand new, but it's like handmade. So I just need to sort the base out and then cut that off, and then we can add the lights and the decorations. I should have showed you this in my DIY-ery by now, but the mirror is up and I don't have space where it's leaning against the wall to put the garland back up. So I'm gonna put that elsewhere and then maybe put the wreath back up, but I kind of like how minimal that looks, so we'll see what the tree looks like and then we'll go from there. So I'm just waiting for my nan to come over, then we can do the tree.
Ooh.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. My screws aren't long enough, so we're going to pop down the road and see if we can get some that are a bit longer.
Sorry?
I'm talking to the camera!
Ah.
You need to do the bottom first, Hermione.
Bottom?
Oh, am I right? No, I'm wrong. It's okay. It's okay. You go on. Don't wiggle it too much.
This is how my jeans feel when I've had a few too many pizzas.
Oh, it's a lovely tree.
I don't know if I can get back out.
Oh, Hermione?
No.
Yes, darling. What do you want me to do? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Shall I put the camera down?
Maybe.
Isn't it beautiful, Hermione?
It's so nice.
It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Cover up the bit of the that bit. Cover that up. I'll just sit down.
Behind the back?
Yeah, which is where it will stay until January.
Isn't that a beautiful tree?
I might have to move it a bit further out. It looks a bit squashed in the corner. Do you like it?
It's lovely. It's super duper.
Super duper. Now I have to put my fuzzy animals in there. I might have bought that badger that I said I wasn't gonna buy. Oops. So Nan had to go home, but she was able to help me put the tree up, and then I decorated it. It's getting a little bit dark. It's not even 1 o'clock yet, but it's almost too dark to film. So I'm gonna try and do my best to show you what this looks like. So that's what the tree looks like. It's so cute. I'm so happy with it. It looks so pretty and it smells amazing, and it's probably the best £19.99 I have spent in a long time. Good morning, welcome to a new day. In all honesty, it's been a few days. I really wanted to carry on this vlog on the weekend and show you what I got up to, because I went to Winter Wonderland with my friends Jessie and Ella. I did get a few clips and I had a lovely time, but it was so packed. You could hardly move in the evening. Anyway, I thought I would jump back in and do a quick speed clean in my bedroom because it's looking absolutely horrendous in here and it could really do with some work. So this is what it's looking like right now. It's not the worst it's ever been, but it's not great. I want to just give it a good tidy up because I'm hoping I can do like a little mini Christmas house tour if I get the house tidy in time. Okay, I am done cleaning and I'm really happy with how it looks. It just feels nice to have it back to normal and not super messy. So yeah. And before I call it a day on this vlog, there is one small thing that I want to do and I want to share with you, because just in case any of you want to do this too, Christmas I think makes us feel very grateful for what we have, and it can remind us that it's important to give back in any way that we can. And something I saw the other day was that the local food bank were giving out lists in the supermarket of things that they kind of needed for donations. So I've taken a list and I'm gonna go and try and pick out some of those things and put them in the donation box. Also, I've been collecting some like beauty products and stuff that brands have given me that I'm not gonna use, they're unopened, so I'm gonna see if they will take that as donations, because I've been trying to collect them for a little while, but I've just not been sure how to go about donating them. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and bring you with me. Hello, I absolutely, definitely, 100% forgot to end this vlog, which is typical. I am not the best vlogger, but I'm working on it. Trying. So I just wanted to pop in and say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good week, and if you celebrate Christmas, I hope you're feeling very festive, because I know I am. I've had a really Christmassy week. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.